This cordless pressure washer delivers genuinely strong cleaning power for its size, with pressure that is well suited to rinsing cars, bikes, patios, and garden furniture. The lightweight handheld body and cordless design make it easy to carry around the yard or campsite without feeling worn out, even during longer cleaning sessions. Its multi-pattern nozzle and included foam cannon let you switch quickly between gentle rinsing, concentrated jet cleaning, and rich suds for more thorough washing. Being able to pull water from a bucket, pool, or other open source with a built-in filter to catch debris makes it far more flexible than models that rely only on a fixed tap. The housing feels sturdy for a compact tool, with thoughtful protections against water ingress, overheating, and overload that inspire confidence in regular outdoor use. A fitted carry case keeps the washer, hose, battery, charger, and accessories neatly organized so everything stays together and is easy to grab for travel or quick jobs.